Hey everyone, I built a code assistant application which is similar to Google Colab. The requisite to build this model is a GCP access to write prompts. Don't hesitate to get one because it's important in current AI era. Then basic code I did for front end using React, and that's all. We have a model. Here I'm giving project ID which will be generated after getting GCP access and specify zone or location. Give Vertex AI and generative model packages prior. Here is my prompt that I have given my detailed prompt that does this job. This front end I replicated from Google Colab. And it has code explanation. And also you can download it in your local to maintain it as a document. I will push the entire code in Git repo. Comment yes if you need the link. If I get more comments, I'll post the Git link in description. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.